Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a trumpet sound with a comb and a plastic. As you can see through this video, I'm gonna make a trumpet sound. Can you have to have these two things so you can make a trumpet sound at your home? You can try it yourself at your home. Okay guys, this is how you do it. Wait. Okay, first we put the comb into the plastic. Second, we pull the plastic into the comb like this, as hard as you can. After that, you want to do something like twinkle, twinkle, little star. You can do it like this. You need one more thing. A comb, plastic. You put the comb in the plastic. Put it. Then you go to it into your mouth, in front of your mouth like this. Then after that, you'll do something like, do not blow only, okay guys? If you blow only, it will not make a trumpet sound, and you have to use a high sound, not a low sound. Then you have to sing something with a high sound. As you can see, you can do anything you want. So it's like a musical instrument. Okay, so now the video is gonna end. So bye bye in 3, 2, 1.